I recently built a couple of pages where the client specifically told me to remove the header and footer. And in this video right here, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily do that for yourself on your own Squarespace website. So let's get into the video. Here over at Squarespace, what I specifically then want to do is remove this header right here and also the footer, which says proudly Rolf made. And this can be done on basically any pages. You can see here that I have a lot of pages in my test development system here on Squarespace, but let's just do this for the home page. I'm also going to show you that it actually works on a lot of pages. So how you would do it is simply click on this wheel right here, head into navigation, and you can see that you have the possibility to toggle both the header and footer off. So when I do that, you can see that this page does not have that much content, but you can see that both the header and footer gets removed. Now you can also do that with, if you only want the footer to be hidden, for example, you can do it in that way. And as I also said, this is also possible to do on basically all of the pages that you have in your Squarespace website. So let's also check that it works for the blog. In this instance, let's remove the footer, for example, and you can see right there that it removed the footer. So that was just a quick video on how you can hide both the header and footer on your Squarespace website and on the individual pages. If you find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.